Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever stepped into the shower and wished your skin felt instantly renewed, soft, and nourished? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today with the Dial Exfoliate and Restore Body Wash in cocoa butter and orange extract. It's a 32-ounce body wash formulated with vitamin E, designed to gently cleanse, exfoliate, and leave your skin feeling hydrated and smooth, all without parabens or sulfates. From the moment I tried this, the first thing I noticed was its texture. The body wash has a creamy consistency with tiny exfoliating beads that feel gentle on the skin, but effective enough to help polish away dullness. The scent is subtly sweet and citrusy, refreshing but not overpowering, which makes it an enjoyable part of any shower routine. Dial's infusion of cocoa butter and vitamin E is intended to nourish the skin while cleansing, which I found genuinely noticeable. My skin felt soft, hydrated, and balanced, not stripped or tight like some exfoliating washes can leave you. Using it was simple and convenient. I applied it directly to my hands and worked it into a lather with a washcloth. It rinsed cleanly, leaving no residue, and the tiny exfoliating particles didn't feel harsh. I tested it after a morning workout, after a long day at work, and even in my evening routine, and it consistently left my skin feeling fresh and restored. One thing I appreciated is that the formula is gentle enough for daily use, so it could realistically work for the whole family without causing irritation. I'd say the pros are pretty straightforward. It's nourishing, gentle yet effective, easy to use, and leaves your skin noticeably softer after just one shower. I also appreciate the Dermatologist-Tested and cruelty-free aspect, along with the eco-conscious packaging made from 100% recycled plastic. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a stronger exfoliation or a more intense fragrance, this might feel a bit mild. When it comes to value, considering the 32-ounce size, quality ingredients like cocoa butter and vitamin E, and its gentle, effective exfoliation, I think it's fairly priced. For comparison, other exfoliating body washes in the drugstore can either be harsher or lack the nourishing element this provides, so Dial strikes a solid middle ground. The packaging is sturdy and easy to handle in the shower, and the body wash itself has a long shelf life, so you're unlikely to go through it too quickly. If you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, some store-brand exfoliating body washes offer similar cleansing effects, though they may not include the same level of moisturizing ingredients or the gentle, family-friendly formula that Dial provides. That said, if you prioritize skin nourishment along with exfoliation, this product is definitely worth considering. So here's my final take. Dial Exfoliate and Restore Body Wash delivers on its promise of gentle exfoliation and skin nourishment. It's perfect for anyone looking for a daily use body wash that leaves skin soft, smooth, and refreshed. The subtle cocoa and orange scent makes it pleasant to use, and it's a reliable option for families or anyone with sensitive skin looking for a non-irritating, effective cleanser. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this body wash, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.